morning, everybody. I'm on my way to the storage unit right now to get my Lexus out. I'm going to take it to my uncle's, and I'm going to redo my whole exhaust. So, when I get out there, I'll take a couple before clips of how the exhaust sounds, because right now it's all ghetto and a bunch of different pieces, and there's leaks, and it sounds like crap in my opinion. So, yeah, I'm about to redo the whole exhaust, and then I'll give you some after clips, and then we will compare how they sound. So, I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so I'm out at my uncle's place, and I actually started taking things apart. I got the heat shields, the O2 sensor off. I disconnected the lower J pipe, and yeah, I'm making some headway here. So basically what you're going to want to do if you're going to do the same thing is there's bolts that line this flange right here. You need to take them off so that you can disconnect the exhaust. My stuff is all welded down here, so that's not going to be the easiest thing for me to do. So I'm going to take them off from here, and that's actually where I'm going to start replacing the exhaust, from here all the way back to the rear bumper. So I will check up with you guys in a minute. I finished the exhaust. You can see there's a stock O2, there's the wideband. I got rid of the stock elbow, and there's a V-band down there, and then a flex pipe, and then another V-band back there, and then it comes out to the back. So, like I showed you the cold start earlier, here's the new cold start. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take it for the first drive with the new exhaust and see how she sounds. It's a hell of a lot quieter inside the car, but it's really a hell of a lot louder outside the car in the back, because now there's no more exhaust leaks, and yeah. Almost got stuck in the snow.
I'm back into my car.
This car is not good at all in the snow. As you could probably hear, my exhaust was hanging really low to the ground, and it was actually scraping the V-band on the ground. So what I had to do is I had to jack up the car again, and I actually moved the exhaust over a little bit, and I got it a lot higher. So it doesn't do that anymore, but for these couple next clips, it's probably gonna sound like that. I just didn't happen to take any new clips after I had raised it, but it sounds exactly the same. Got her back in storage. Bumper's painted. Looks really good. But this is all ice. Really, really slippery. And trying to get it in here, I pushed that bumper into the snowbank. And it caught the wheel. And unfortunately, it messed it up a little bit. It's cracked there. And it's cracked underneath. But it's a drift car. I mean, it sucks, but it is what it is. And yeah, it's snowing again. Got it back just in the nick of time. She's not covered in snow, so that's good. Oh, it looks good. And boy, does it sound good. Sounds good too. Hell yeah. But yeah, let's see, update. Should be buying my Haltech ECU in the next, I don't know, couple days. And let's see. What else? Yeah, now I redid my whole exhaust. Sounds great. Gonna be ordering a turbo soon. Gonna be ordering bigger injectors, and then in about 3 or 4 weeks, I'm going to get it tuned. And yeah, trying to run somewhere around 20 psi, and with the bigger injectors and a good tune in the Haltech, it should make over 450. So this should be a really good year. I'm very excited. So with that said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll try in my next video to go over the exhaust a little better, show you exactly what I did. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more content coming very soon, and we'll see you in the next one, guys.